Jamaican man living in the United States allegedly ordered the triple hit that was foiled by the JCF.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Jamaican police say they will be working with American law enforcers at the Federal Bureau of Investigation to capture a man living in the United States who allegedly offered a $400,000 Jamaican dollars contract for the murder of 3 women in Western Jamaica. We know who is behind it. We know who the person is who gave the contract. The person is not domiciled here, and so we will look at all the opportunities available, whether prosecution here or overseas, said Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey. He said cops acting on intelligence arrested a female teacher and 6 men in Kingston and St. Andrew on Thursday in a series of operations. The cops also seized an American tactical hybrid rifle, at least 3 handguns, approximately 30 rounds of ammunition, magazines and police apparel inclusive of ballistic vests, handcuffs and uniforms. Among those arrested is 28-year-old District Constable Andrew Wright, who is assigned to the Technical Services Division of the JCF. Police believe he was heading to Western Jamaica to carry out the hit when the red Toyota Yaris motorcar he was traveling in was intercepted along Washington Boulevard.
I want to point out that the car that was intercepted was based on investigation and intelligence into an alleged contract killing, where contract was placed on the head of 3 females living in the western part of the island. In fact, $400,000 were contracted, or given as a contracted fee to kill these 3 females. If it were not for the interception of that car, this morning we may have seen on the headline 3 females killed in the western part of the island.
The district constable, along with 2 other men who were passengers aboard the vehicle, were arrested.
Andrew Wright, 28 years old, district constable, attached to the Technical Services Division of the JCF, along with Adrian Graham, OC Shaba, of 19 Garden Terrace, Kingston 20, and Aaron Brown, OC JJ. He is 23 years old, of Boabang, and Building 10, Flat Edge Tavern Garden, Kingston 11, were arrested. District Constable Wright was found with an illegal Glock 26 pistol loaded with 11 9mm rounds. The motor car was seized and all 3 persons taken into custody.
DCP Bailey said that the constable is on sick leave and had tendered his resignation in November, but the resignation had not been processed. Bailey also said that the district constable is being investigated in relation to other matters and expressed concern that a district constable could be implicated in such serious criminal activities.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!